sisters. Brushed chestnuts, this makeup really looks good. And I see Grandma has melted too. Today I want to try this not too warm. Our Life Makeup Remover Cotton. What's the effect of painting on my egg liquid face? Now this makeup is very tight on the whole face, especially mandibular line. I'm really one of those super edema prone constitutions. I have to get rid of the swelling. Milk mask. But some take 3 or 4 hours to apply. I really don't have time. Although the whole thing only needs to be applied for 10 minutes, huh? Well, take a look at the swelling reduction effect is very nice. It's just that the swollen bubble feels a lot better. Then a little lotion. Come on, a blue sticker. You only need a little bit of this amount. Just wipe it open with your hand and stick it a little bit. The last one was a more hydrated and then shiny foundation. It all starts here. And brushed thinly. Because we just adjusted the color before makeup. There are too many liquid foundations for the face. Silky forehead. Break this grooming. The main word is this nose. To draw him sharp. Because these words are more conventional. Human structural takeout. Now we can do this a little bit, raise a little. In this case, it feels like your chin must be. If you are taller, your face will be narrower. Then you can slowly get out of the way. Don't be self-respecting, let's be a little more careful. Twice. Then we put on blush and use this one first. The national push has also begun to bring about on the face makeup. He's better. Then you can bring it to the face. And then out of the country, I want to use this moment. I want to borrow. Then draw the eyebrows. Just choose a lighter color. Go out and make this eyebrow shape for it. Then we use an eyebrow dye to put this. Give it a uniform color. This eyebrow cream has a little talent. I'll try it. A black plush roll-up. Obviously doesn't look harmonious. Don't use this, it's the same as yours. I wanted to draw. Su Luo bought it when he was wearing makeup. The result has never melted. It still comes in handy today. I still click and click. Continuous violations. Fly up. Scan him the whole next part. So a certain brush stance here. This is a slightly darker color. Dragon tail, add the belt inside and out. Next one, bag. Use this less swollen color. Non-stop roots. Because we want a red glue pen. Then paint one. Morning why you miss. Set on your button left story. Then the last post is noon. 2 shop, 112 shop, 10 points. I will have a past here. We put this with a black invisible liquid pen. Wire pin here it again. Jinmin just replaced the eyelashes with black stems again. Really saved my life. He will make my eyes look so big. Don't know why. My god, that fishtail feels a little ordinary because my eyes are too wide. And then the fishtail is too short. This looks good. Then it's the old rule to use medium pink and white. Back a bead. This is it. Pull the eye area. Containment continues to become apparent after lift. Now just need to deepen the nose. My black. To draw it, this nose is pointy. I have this highlight. This step is very important. Add a little blush. Well, this one can only be updated a little bit. Less, otherwise the color will be very dark. My words. If you say your mouth is tiny sister, don't draw like this. That makes your mouth look so small. I used a very bright color first. Right here.